Hello all. What we are going to see today is estimation of project size using function point for calculation. Yeah. So how we are going to estimate a project size using function point calculation is the main topic today. So our aim is to estimate the size of project using FP methodology. We can see the methodology. First point, much relevant project data are available for the current project but not much information about previous project. Yeah, we know that the project data are available for the ongoing project we are doing, but not about the pre-going project that is the previous finished project we don't know. Second point, previous project data are available for project but not much information about current project. Yeah, previous project data are only for the previous projects. They are not for the current project. Third point here is what they are given. Yeah, project data are available for the current project as well as previous project. Yeah, same like similar to second point. Project data are available for current project as well as the previous project. Some project data may be available for current project. And fifth methodology is no project data are available for both current as well as previous project. This is like in programming languages we learn if else condition loop. So if there is a condition is true, it executes one statement. If there is false condition, it executes another statement. So this is how the methodology of function point calculation works. So let's see the function point analysis of COCOMO model. COCOMO model is nothing but the estimation technique, estimation calculation of our project. So project details, three details, historical project data plus current project data, estimation technique FTA. Okay, function point analysis. Current project data, COCOMO, wideband Delphi. These are the techniques we can analyze the project details. Finally, third step is no data. For no data, we all know that no technique cannot be used. Just the else if condition. Okay. Now coming to FPA. Uh, I used here Tiny Tools this website. Sorry, not this website. I used here this website. See, this is the website. In this, you can calculate three data. That is, first one domain characteristic table, which contains the basic amount of input, number of output that the user is gonna give in the project. Then second one, I'm giving complex adjustment table complexity. It has some queries related to project. If you should rate your project the queries answered from 0 to 5. It starts from no influence, that is no danger, I mean not important, still important. Fifth one is essential, and third second are average. Fourth is somewhat essential, second is somewhat influence. Okay. So third one is FP calculation. Based on your data given here, FP will be calculated here. FP calculation, we can see that. First, we can see domain characteristic table. For my project, petrol bank management system, I have given number of user input as 6. While I have given if the user input is 6, we may be getting output as 7. Yeah, whatever value you change here, for example, let it be 6, 7, 7, 7, and number of files, it can it can hold up to 10,000 files. Number of external interface, which is going to be 6. Connection, okay, external interface also 5. See here, input simple, measuring input is simple, also getting output is somewhat average because it need to be calculated all the information we are going to give in input. So it's somewhat average, and user inquiry is also average. Number of files is complex because there are 10,000 files it needs to hold, so it is of complex. Number of external interface also average because somewhat there will be connections bit more technical wise or non-technical wise, so it comes under average. So this is the domain characteristic table. Coming to complexity adjustment table, there are some queries. Does the system require reliable backup and recovery? Yes. Essential, it is must. Recovery is must. Now data communication required. Yeah, data communication is required. 3, I have given somewhat required. Other distribute processing function, no, it's simple process only because it is carried within a local host, that is within a local area, that is the petrol bunk. So distributed processing functions is simple. No influence. Is performance critical? Yeah, somewhat influential. Will the system run an existing heavily utilized operational environment? No. Yeah, it's very bit essential. Require online data entry? Completely essential because our project is completely based on online. So it's based on online data entry only. Online data entry required input transaction to be built over multiple screens or operation. Essential, yeah. Definitely we want nowadays everything is based on multitasking only. So it's better to build over multiple screens or operations. Are the master files updated online? Yeah, we are. As we talk about thing online, our project is completely based on online. So master files definitely updated on online. So it is essential. So I given 5 points. Are the input output files or inquiries complex? Yeah, it depends upon the customers who are coming to petrol bunk and they are using the system. So I given 4 for this. Somewhat likely essential. Same as inquiries, I give for internal processing complex. Yes, it is somewhat likely essential. Code to be defined reusable. Yeah, somewhat okay. Not up to somewhat likely essential. It is just essential. Yeah, if it is reusable, it will be very analytical for users if it is reusable. So I am given 3 stars. I mean 3 point. Are conversion and installation included in design? Yeah, essential. Design is mandatorily included as our project is depend upon fully AI based remote operations. The system designed for multiple installation in different organizations. Yeah. For example, if you go to a company dealer of petrol bunk, there will be used technique. Same technique will be used for every petrol bunks of the particular dealer. So essential. I give 5 point. The application designed to facilitate change and ease of use by the user. Yeah, coming to ease of user is completely essential because users should feel uh, the project. I mean, the system is very useful, advantageous. So I rated 100% rated 5 points. Yeah. So our complexity adjustment table is over. Now coming to FP calculation, based on details entered here, FP calculation is made. See here, uh, FP is being calculated. That is itself. That is 177,140.42. FP calculation. You can see here about FP calculation. Okay. Yeah, FP calculation I have mentioned. For anything you have made, you should be sorry. For anything FP calculation is, yeah. Now see here, always click function point. It calculates based on adding the points used by the uh, domain characteristic table. So our FP calculation is over. Finally, Kokomo calculator. You have to enter the estimated kilo lines of code. I gave here 1500 lines of code to be added to our project. So see here, I am calculating this. Okay. So effort formula A is log B, duration is T into effort power D, and staffing is effort by the duration of completing the project. So variable A, organic, semi-detached, embedded. See here effort in person for each organic particular data, semi-detached particular data, and embedded also particular data we are getting. Duration and staffing also particular data separately we are getting. So this is our function point analysis program. So this is how we are estimating our project size. What we are doing here is first we are seeing the methodology, then we are seeing the Kokomo model project details. Then we are seeing the function point analysis, that is FPA, which contains the user input, output, user inquiries, number of files, external interface, and complexity adjustment table contains some queries related to our project, and we should rate the queries from 0 to 5, that is no influential. So our FP calculation is based on those, and our Kokomo model also is that. So estimation is calculated using FPA. Thank you.